what do we get? A is equal to 5. So this is the concept that we're going to use it today. In last lecture, we have seen problems of practice at 4.5, in which we have completed 3 problems, and I have told you that we have to strike question number 5 and question number 6 as they have been cancelled. So today we'll be solving a 4th problem. I'll write the question first so that you can get clear idea. Say, what is given? Question number 4. If A plus B plus C into A minus B plus C is equal to A square plus B square plus C square, then show that A, B, C are in continued proportion. Continued proportion. So we have to show that A, B, C are in continued proportion. In order to show that these 3 numbers are in continued proportion, just now we have discussed that we need to show that B square is equal to A into C. Means we need to show that A by B is equal to B by C. If we have or we prove this, B square is equal to A into C, then we can conclude that the given 3 numbers are in continued proportion. If something is continued proportion, we can write the given 3 numbers as B square equal to A into C. If we are having a condition B square is equal to A into C, then we can say that it is in continued proportion. It is a vice versa case. Okay, let's start solving. So we concluded what we need to prove. Solution. We have A plus B plus C into A minus B plus C is equal to A square plus B square plus C square. Now we need to keep our right hand side as it is, and we'll be solving this left hand side. So let's open the bracket. As we have, hope you all know how to multiply 2 brackets. In case you don't know, I will show you the example. Say we are having x plus y into x minus y. This is an example, basic example to make you understand how we are going to open this bracket. The term present in the first bracket, each term present in the first bracket will get multiplied to the each term present in the second bracket. So how it will be possible? So what we will do, we will take x first, it will be multiplied to the whole bracket, whole second bracket, that is x minus y. X into x minus y, the sign in between will be plus, so y into x minus y. Now what do you need to do? X into x is x square, means if you don't understand, we will do it properly. X into x minus x multiplied to y. After that, plus y multiplied to x minus sine y into y. As we know that plus into minus is minus, and here as well, plus into minus is minus. So we have taken minus sign. So x into x square minus xy plus y into x is same as xy, because we know that 2 into 3 is same as 3 into 2. So we can write yx as xy minus y square. Now the terms with opposite sign will cancel each other. As you can see that this is minus xy and this is plus xy. So minus xy plus xy gets cancelled. What remains is x square minus y square. Done. So this is the way to multiply or open the bracket. So we will apply here whatever is given to us. But the difference is that we are having 3 terms instead of 2 terms. So let's open the bracket. So therefore, take A multiplied to the whole second bracket, A minus B plus C. Take next term having plus B sign multiplied to whole second bracket, A minus B plus C. Take plus C multiplied to whole second bracket, A minus B plus C is equal to A square plus B square plus C square, means my right hand side. Now let's open the bracket. A, after opening a bracket, A will get multiplied to each and every term present in the bracket. So A into A will be A into A plus A minus B. So it will be plus minus minus. So A into B. A into B plus sine A into C. Hope this step is clear to everyone. A into A minus A into B plus A into C. Plus, now open the bracket along with B. So B into A plus minus minus B into B plus plus plus. So plus B into C. Okay. So this was all the terms when first bracket is being opened. This is all those terms when we have opened the bracket along with B plus C into A plus minus minus C into B plus plus plus. So C into C is equal to A square plus B square plus C square. So now what we will do, we will just multiply, we will write the terms properly so that we can observe which terms are same with opposite sign. They will cancel each other and the remaining terms will give me the required answer. So let's proceed. Therefore, A into A is A square, A into B is AB. So it is having a minus sign, so I've written minus sign, plus AC plus AB minus B square plus BC plus AC minus BC plus C square. what I've done, I've written A into C as AC and C into A as well AC, because I've told you that when two numbers are same and they get multiplied, they give the same answer. For example, 2 into 3 is 6 and 3 into 2 is also 6. So A square plus B square plus C square. Now, what we need to do, just observe it. After observation, we can see that the term present on the same side here, AB, AB, they're having opposite sign, but the terms are same. So they will cancel each other. Minus AB plus AB gets cancelled. BC minus BC cancelled each other. Okay, okay, done. So now, therefore, what remains? A square plus AC plus AC minus B square plus C square is equal to A square plus B square plus C square. This remains. We will use top of the board to write the step. So now our observation is that we can take A square and C square on this side. As we can see, A square is present. So let's see what we will get. This is A square. Now I'm taking this, the A square present on right hand side to left hand side. So it will take a sign minus A square. Okay. Or if you are getting confused, what you do, you write the whole term first. AC plus AC is 2AC minus B square plus C square. Taking this A square to left hand side, so it will be minus A square. Taking this C square to left hand side, so this is minus C square. And keeping B square on right hand side. After this, A square, A square and A square, they will get cancelled, or they will cancel each other because their sign is opposite. C square minus C square, then they will cancel. So what remains is 2AC is equal to B square plus B square. I have taken this minus B square to right hand side. So it is plus B square. Therefore, 2AC is equal to 2B square. That is 2B square is equal to 2AC. What we need to do now? Dividing by 2 on both sides. So you can just take 2 to that side and cancel them. Whatever step you feel is better for you, you can do that. 2AC upon 2. So 2 will get cancelled. So therefore, B square equal to AC. And I've told you that once we prove B square is equal to AC, or we show that B square is equal to AC, we can conclude that ABC. So therefore, A, B, C are in continued proportion. Hope you have understood this. A, B, C are in continued proportion. So we have concluded with practice at 4.5. As I've told you, after completing this, we'll move to some MCQs, which is given, and after completing, we will go through the whole topic, quick revision of the whole topic, main concept that we have used, that is important to solve all the practices. So let's start with the MCQ. MCQ of the problem set. It's very important now in MCQs. They will be checking our whole concept and aspect, whatever we have studied, and how to apply the gained knowledge, whatever we have studied and understood till now. We need to apply this in MCQs and get through. And even we can check whether the numbers are in continuous proportion or not. So let's start with the MCQ. Problem set MCQ. So first, what is given? If 6 is to 5 is equal to y is to 20, then what will be the value of y? What will be the value of y? So options given are A 15, B 24, C. This is very easy and very simple for you, as we have done all those concepts. It's not that difficult task for us to get the answer. D 22.5. As we know that ratio is a unitless quantity, so we won't be having any units here. So how to solve this? As we know that ratio, we know A is to B can be written as A by B. This is a very clear idea. So we'll be using this as 6 is to 5 can be written as 6 by 5. Yes. So we can write 6 is to 5 as 6 by 5 is equal to the solution. 6 by 5 as y by 20. 20 is in the form of division on the right hand side. When we'll be taking this 20 to left hand side, it will be taking a form of multiplication or multiplying by 20 on both sides. By 20 on both sides, we get 20 into 6 by 5 is equal to 20 into y by 20. So just cancel this 20, 20. What remains? 5 ones are and 5 fours are. So this is very obvious case. We know that 6 fours are is 24. So 24 is equal to y, that is y is equal to 24. So wherever option 24 is there, just take that variable with option B. Option B is correct. Hope you're copying and understanding as well. Solve along with me. If you feel like you're having any doubt, you can just go through the solution. Next. What is the ratio of of 1 mm to 1 centimeter? 1 mm to 1 centimeter. Now, as we can see that units of both the quantity is not same, so we can make it same. After getting same, we can use our rule ratio protocol or rules of ratio. So options are: first option 1:100, second option 10:1, third option 1:10, and fourth option, sorry, 100:1. Now, which option is correct? First of all, we should know about a relation between centimeter and millimeter. We know that 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters. We know that 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. So instead of centimeter, we'll be using millimeter. So we will put millimeter instead of centimeter and get the values. So 1 mm ratio of 1 mm to 1 centimeter is equal to 1 mm is to, instead of 1 centimeter, we'll be writing 10 millimeter, which is equal to 1 upon 10 millimeter. They will cancel, and what remains is 1 divided by 10, which is same as 1:10. Series option, where is it? Option number B or option number C? So 1:10 I can see here. Option C is correct. So this is my answer, 1:10. I highlight this so that you can understand. This was very easy. Only thing that we should know a relation between millimeter, centimeter, meters, sometimes kilometers as well. We have done this above problem in first exercise where we have seen a relation between kilograms, grams, liters, milliliters, hours, minutes and seconds, rupees, paise. This all relation, if you know properly, then you can easily cope up with problem of this type. It won't be creating much problem to you. If you don't know the relation, so this problem will be very difficult for you, because the set it was 1:1, but suddenly it became 10. How it became 10? It is a relation between millimeter and centimeter. That's why. So instead of say centimeter, we are having meter. You know that one relation between meter and centimeter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, and so on. We can convert it. So similarly, we want to convert a relation between millimeter and meter. So you know that 1 meter is equal to 1000 millimeters. Similarly, You can complete the problem. So let's move to next third problem. The next third one. The ages of Jatin, Nitin, and Mohasin. Jatin, Nitin, and Mohasin are 16, 24, and 36. 16, 24, and 36 years respectively. What is the ratio of what is the ratio of Nitin's age to Mohasin's age? Okay, so here they have asked a ratio of Nitin's and Mohasin's age. So from here we can conclude that Jatin's age is 16, Nitin's age is 24, and Mohasin's age is 36. So options are can be easily concluded, but as we are doing it here in 9th standard, so we should be doing basics clearly. Once our basics are clear, we can deal with any type of this problems, and it is very useful ratio and proportion. We get questions on this in competitive exam as well. So first option 3:2. Second option 2:3. Third option 4:3. And fourth option is 3:4. So we will be writing solution. Jatin's age 16. Nitin's age 24. And Mohasin's age 36. What years? All are years, so no need to convert any of them. The month is given, then we need to convert it in years, or you have to convert all years in months. Here they are asking a ratio of Nitin's age to Mohasin's age to Mohasin's age. 2 means we have to take that in denominator. So we'll be writing this as Nitin's age divided by Mohasin's age. That Nitin's age is given as 4. divided by Norton's age is 36 years. Years cancelled. So 12 into 2, 12 into 3. We know that 24 is nothing but we can write it in terms of multiple of 12. So 12 twos are and 12 threes are. So 12 gets cancelled. What remains 2 by 3 means answer is 2 is to 3. Okay, see the option. Where is it? So option B, 2 is to 3. And for proper observation, you can just highlight it. Yeah, we'll move to next problem. That is problem number 4. The problem is based on bananas in which 24 bananas were distributed between Shubham and Anil in the ratio 3:5. How many bananas did Shubham get? So, if we are having bananas, we have distributed the 24 bananas between Shubham and Anil in the ratio 3:5. This type of a problem you get in competitive exams, where they will be giving you more than 2 ratios, like 3 to 4 ratios to understand and deliver. So if we are good in solving Q, this can be generalized to n number of values, as we have read generalization earlier. So let's write fourth problem. 24 bananas were distributed between Shubham and Anil, between Shubham and Anil in the ratio 3:5. How many bananas did Shubham get? The options are 8, second option 15, third option 12, last option is 9. So as per our understanding, we will deliver. Whenever we get this type of a problem and we don't know the actual quantity each get, so we have to take the common multiple. Something is common in them. So as we don't know that common multiple, let it be x. Solution. Let the common multiple be x. So therefore, We have the ratio 3:5, so it will become 3x, or you can write number of bananas distributed to Shubham. Okay, we'll write that and then we will conclude. Therefore, number of bananas distributed to Shubham is 3x. Number of bananas. Why 3x? Because we are having a ratio Shubham and Anil in the ratio 3:5. Means 3 will go to Shubham and 5 will go to Anil. Along with that, we'll be having x. Bananas distributed Anil is 5x. Therefore, according to given condition, total banana distributed to them is 24. So combination of both will give me 24. So therefore, 3x plus 5x is equal to 24. So therefore, 3x plus 5x is 8x is equal to 24. So therefore, x is equal to taking 8 to that side, means it will take a form of division. 1s are, 3s are. We got the value of x as 3. So therefore, number of bananas distributed to Shubham is 3x, which is 3 into 3, which is 9. Now we have to see the options where we have 9. We can see it is present in fourth option, that is option D, 9. So we're done with this. Let's move to next fifth one. So what we have done in this problem, total banana was given and that is being distributed in some ratio. So as we don't know the common multiple, we have taken a common multiple and we have equated it to the total number of bananas. Get the value of that common multiple and just multiply to the ratio given. You will get. And even if you want to know how much banana did Anil got, so 5 into x, you can see you will get 15. So you may get a option like this: how many bananas did Anil get? So in that case, your answer will be 15, not 9. Let's do last one. What is the mean proportional of 4 and 25? So I've told you earlier that you will be getting a mean proportional or continuous proportion or geometric mean. So when it comes to mean proportional and geometric mean, we are talking about B. In 3 numbers, that is A, B, C. So let's write this last problem. What is the mean proportional of 4 and 25? What is the mean proportional of 4 and 25. Option given is 6. Second option is 8. Third option is 10. And fourth option is, sorry, it is 12 here. So how to deal with this problem? It's very simple. Just apply whatever concept we have done in last 2 days, means today and yesterday. Mean proportional means let that mean proportional be B. You can directly write the mean proportional, or you can write B. Let the mean proportional be B. Let the mean proportional be B. I'm making B as we are used to B. That's why I'm talking about this. And when so B is the mean proportional. So therefore, from here we have assumed mean proportional to be B. So we can write B is the mean proportional of 4 and 25. B is the mean proportional of 4 and 25. So therefore, mean proportional means B square is equal to 4 into 25. 4 into 25 is 100. We can write it as 10 square. Taking square root on both sides, we'll be getting B square is equal to root of 10 square. Square root, square and root get cancelled. What remains? B is equal to 10. Just look which option is 10. Option C. So we have concluded our ratio and proportion here. Thank you, everyone. Hope you have understood. Hello, Sneha ma'am. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Done with the lecture.